Sunscreen plays a crucial role in protecting our skin from the harmful effects of sun radiation. The sun emits dangerous UVA and UVB rays which, over time, can lead to skin cancer, sunburn, premature skin aging, and immune damage. To shield oneself from these hazards and fully enjoy the sun on hot days, sunscreens are essential. There are two primary types of sunscreens: physical and chemical. Sunscreens utilizing physical effects contain tiny particles of inorganic materials like titanium dioxide or zinc oxide. These substances have a crystalline structure, reflecting and scattering sunlight so that sun rays can't penetrate the skin. However, these nanoparticles have a reputation for being potentially harmful as their tiny size, just a few nanometers, could penetrate the skin barrier and possibly accumulate in organs, the consequences of which remain uncertain. Chemical sunscreens rely on molecular structures. They contain organic compounds like octocrylene that use a physiochemical effect to absorb hazardous UV rays. The electrons in the specific molecule are elevated to a higher energy level by UV radiation, absorbing the UV rays. Electrons don't stay at this level long and revert to their original level, emitting harmless infrared radiation and heat in the process. They thus transform the once dangerous UV radiation into benign infrared radiation. However, let's delve into potential risks associated with sunscreens. Our skin's pores serve as entry points for various ingredients in creams, including substances with hormonal effects. These substances structurally resemble the body's estrogen and can bind to receptors, potentially disrupting the hormonal system. Furthermore, carcinogenic substances might penetrate the skin through these pores, inflicting significant bodily harm. One example of such substances is benzophenones and parabens, commonly found in sunscreens, which have been shown to potentially disrupt hormone levels, having profound implications, especially for unborn children. According to a study from the Helmholtz Center for Environmental Research, children whose mothers had increased paraben concentrations in their system during pregnancy tend to be more prone to obesity. Parabens have also been detected in breast tumors, though it remains unclear if they contributed to tumor development. It's hypothesized that parabens might encourage breast cells to grow uncontrollably due to their structural similarity to the hormone estrogen. They're also believed to harm the environment and contribute to global coral death because they're not water-soluble and accumulate in the seabed. On the other hand, benzophenones can cause cancer in animals, suggesting a similar effect in humans, as various studies have confirmed. Octocrylenes, also used in sunscreens as UV filters, are problematic if they decompose into benzophenones. This can happen if the sunscreen exceeds its expiration date, making it crucial always to buy fresh sunscreen. Additionally, microplastics are a significant issue. However, their use isn't limited to sunscreens, and discussing them would go beyond the scope of this video. That's why we've created a separate video on the topic. Though the revelations here might sound discouraging, it remains imperative to always apply sunscreen when exposed to the sun to avoid harm. It's recommended to use a high-quality product, preferably certified natural cosmetics without questionable UV filters, parabens, and microplastics. However, always scrutinize the ingredients. Some eco-friendly sunscreens contain nanoparticles. Even if considered safe, there are good reasons to avoid these tiny particles and be aware of what's being applied to one's skin. It might also be worth considering protection with UV-resistant clothing. If you don't want to miss further videos about interesting scientific topics, subscribe to our channel and activate the bell to be notified when we publish new short videos. Thank you for watching.